Hello, my name is Mike Schulte from Cedar Rapids, Iowa in the United States, and I'm the drummer for the Pork Tornadoes and Dope Walker. I've been playing drums for 30 years, playing over 1,500 live shows and drumming on 35 albums as a member of the band or session drummer. As of 2024, I've officially performed in front of more than 1 million total fans in 30 states and 3 countries. I'm a firm believer that talent alone is not the main factor that will get you on the drum throne for a popular band. Diversifying your skills and bringing more than musicianship is the thing that will get yourself unreplaceable. Combining skills on the kit with knowledge of booking, marketing, advertising, technical production, multi-instrumental skills, along with just being a good person to hang out with, will keep the phone ringing for more gig opportunities than you can dream of. So I currently use the 5A Reach. It's nearly the exact same size and length of the stick brand that I used to use, but there are a few important differences. This stick is durable. I mean, really durable. It takes me a long time to break these sticks. Also, I've yet to run into a bad stick. With the old brand I used to play, I'd say every 10 to 20 pairs would be a stick or two that seemed to be manufactured wrong and would break instantly, not with Collision. Also, you can tell that these sticks are made with love. You can feel it. This company pours its heart and soul into every one of them, and it shows in their care and detail and the effort that they put into customer service and helping me out whenever I need something. I am very proud to be a part of this family and use Collision sticks.